Aurat in Urdu means woman. For many years, women never gathered the courage to speak up. But the new generation wants the present system to change.
Mera Jism Meri marzi.
Mera Jism Meri marzi. Mera Jism Meri marzi, say it loud and proud. Mera Jism Meri marzi, stand with my crowd. Breaking glass ceilings, making our mark. We were in the dark, lit it up with a spark. Aurat kya chahti, we want equal rights. Wage gap too high, that's what we fight. Acid attacks, but the means ki height. These are some facts, and don't take them light. Young girls getting married, but should be in school. Young boys catcalling, cause they think it's cool. Wanna wear what we want, feel what we feel, without fear of being killed like my girl Kandi. Your honor's your own, not mine to carry. Killings on the rise, still the stats are scary. Shadi Mubarak, but too young to marry. Shadi Mubarak, but forced to marry. Mera Jism Meri marzi, say it loud and proud. Mera Jism Meri marzi, stand with my crowd. Breaking glass ceilings, making our mark. We were in the dark, lit it up with a spark. We march for our rights in the fight for equality. Women in the workforce empower the economy. Same job, less pay, and that's all misogyny. My body, my choice, call that autonomy. Respect हमारा हक है, क्या बात गलत. Even without dupatta, respect हमारा हक. You can throw stones, it'll only make us louder. Can't break us, cause women got the power. My body, my choice, come on, say it louder. Seeing girls marching, I couldn't be prouder. Do it for your nation and do it for your daughters. Mera Jism Meri marzi, say it loud and proud. Mera Jism Meri marzi, stand with my crowd. Breaking glass ceilings, making our mark. We were in the dark, lit it up with a spark. Mera Jism Meri marzi, say it loud and proud. Mera Jism Meri marzi, stand with my crowd. Breaking glass ceilings, making our mark. We were in the dark, lit it up with a spark. Pakistan Zindabad.